Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Pharma Study. Today we will discuss about subject biochemistry in that unit 5th enzyme. In this today class we discussed about definition, properties and classifications of the enzyme. First of all, let us to see the definitions of the enzyme. The meaning of enzyme. Enzyme is a biocatalyst synthesized by a living tissue which increases the rate of reaction. Here, enzyme is the main point. Here, the enzyme is a biocatalyst. The catalyst means, let us to take one a general chemical reaction, that is a reactant is converted into product in the presence of rate of reaction. This is a general chemical reaction. Here, in this general chemical reaction, here the absence of the catalyst, at that time the reactant is converted to product. It take a more time when compared to the presence of the catalyst. If we assume here the presence of a catalyst, any catalyst, the reactant is converted to product. It take a short time when compared to the absence of the catalyst. Here the main role of the catalyst is to increases the rate of reaction. It is called as the enzyme. Enzyme is a biocatalyst which increases the rate of reaction. Here it is called as a enzyme. And second one, the cofactor. Cofactor is nothing but it is a non-protein part. The cofactor is a non-protein part. When the protein part and the certain non-protein part is added, protein part plus non-protein part added, we got an active enzyme that is called as a haloenzyme, and the protein part is called as apoenzyme and the non-protein part called as a cofactors. Here the cofactor is a organic compound or inorganic compound. If the cofactor is organic compound, that is called as a coenzyme. Here, don't get confused. If the cofactor is organic compound, that is called as a coenzyme. The examples of this coenzyme, that is NAD, FAD and TPP, etc. These are the examples of this coenzyme. And if the cofactor is a inorganic compound, that is called as activators. Here the examples of the activators are the Fe3 plus, Cu2 plus and Mg2 plus, etc. Here friends, don't get confused. The enzyme is biocatalyst synthesized which increases the rate of reaction is called enzyme. The cofactor means simply it is a non-protein part. The cofactor, it can be organic compound or inorganic compound. If the cofactor is organic compound, that is coenzyme. If the cofactor is inorganic compound, that is the activators. These two are the examples of this coenzyme. The second point, that is the properties of the enzyme. These properties of the enzyme you can remember. This is as a CTPS. C is Chandrapur Thermal Power Station. You can remember the properties of the enzyme. That is, C is stand for the colloidal, T stand for the thermolabile, and P stand for the, it is a protein in nature, and it is a specificity. These are the properties of the coenzyme, that is colloidal in nature, thermolabile, protein in nature and specificity. And the third point, and it is most important for the exam point of view, and it is most important for the 5 marks, the enzyme classification. Here the third point of this unit, the enzyme classification. This enzyme classification is most important point exam And the third point, that is the enzyme classification. This enzyme classification is most important for the 5 marks. The enzyme classified into 6 classes based on the type of the reaction catalyzed. Here there are the enzyme classification are classified into 6 classes. That is first class, oxidoreductase. The first class, that is oxidoreductase itself, it show the meaning, that is oxidation and reduction. These oxidation and reductions reactions are occur in this class. Here the definitions of this class, that is oxidoreductase class of enzyme catalyze the oxidation reduction type of the reaction. Here let us to see the one general reaction, that is AH2 plus B to gives rise to A plus BH2. Here friends, A is a substrate. A and B are the two other substrate. Here in this class the oxidation and reduction reactions are occurred. Here the H is transferred from A to the B. Here addition of hydrogen is nothing but a reduction. The removal of hydrogen, that is oxidation, that is called as a oxidoreductases. Here the example of this class, that is succinate, that give a fumarate in the presence of the enzyme, that is succinate dehydrogenase. And the class second, that is transferases. Class second, transferases. The definitions of this class second, that is transferases, means the transfers of a group from one substrate to the other substrate other than the hydrogen. Here one condition is applied, only the transfers of a group from one substrate to the others except the hydrogen. Here to take a general reaction, AX plus B to gives rise to A plus BX. Here itself it show a transverse meaning. Here A we know that it is a substrate and it is a one group. A is transfer, X is transferred from A to the B. It is called as a transferases. The examples of this class, that is glucose, is converted into glucose 6-phosphate at the presence of the enzyme, that is hexokinase or glucokinase, and this ATP is converted into ADP. Here the class second, that is, and the class third, that is hydrolases. Here the definitions of this class, hydrolases catalyze the splitting of molecule by a hydrolysis. Here it means, here the splitting of molecule by a hydrolysis. Here using the water is breakdown into a different two substrate, that is the general reactions of this class A, B. These two are the substrate to take a water, and here water is split by a OH and H to form together H2O. Here A is attached to the H and B is attached to the OH, that is AH and BOH. Here the splitting of hydrolysis is occurred. It is called as a hydrolysis. The examples of this class, that is lactose plus water, it convert to glucose plus galactose in the presence of the enzyme lactase. And the class 4, that is ligases. The ligases, the definitions of this class, the ligases is a catalyst, the splitting of molecule by a mechanism other than hydrolysis. Here Here also splitting of molecule, but here we apply hydrolysis. But in this class we apply the splitting of molecule by a mechanism. Here mechanism is applied. The general reaction, the general reactions, that is ax plus, sorry, ab plus xy to give ax plus by. Here accept the hydrolysis, the using the mechanism, we split the groups. Here a and b are the substrate, x and y are the groups. These a is attacked to the x and b is attacked to the y, it give a ax and by. The examples of this class, that is pyruvate is converted into acetaldehyde plus carbon dioxide in the presence of a pyruvate decarboxylase. This is the class 4th of the enzyme classification. And the class 5th, that is isomerases. The meaning of isomerases: the isomerases class of enzyme that catalyze the interconversions of isomers. Here the isomer is interconversion is happen. Let us to take a, that is general reaction, A is converted into A dash. Here the A is converted to A dash, that is the isomer class, the enzyme catalyst that interconversions of isomer. Here the A is the substrate that interconversion is the A dash. The examples of these isomers, that is glucose 6 phosphate that converts to fructose 6 phosphate in the presence of the enzyme phosphohexose isomerases. The last class of this enzyme classification, that is ligases. The ligases means the catalyze the joining of two compounds. Here let us see general reaction A plus B. The ligases catalyze the joining of two compounds. Here these are the two different substrate. In this class it says the two catalyze the joining of two compound, that is to form A and AB. The energy for ligation is obtained by a ATP hydrolysis. This is the general reactions of this class, and the example is acetyl CoA plus carbon dioxide to gives rise to melanine CoA. This is the majorly 6 classes of enzyme classification. These enzyme classification you can remember this as O thanks heaven, love is life. Here O is stand for the class first, that is oxidoreductases, and T is stand for the transferases, and heaven, that is H is transfer the hydrolysis. L is stand for the ligases. I is stand for the isomerases, and the sixth one, that is L is stand for the ligases. For it is a short trick to remember for whole remember of for the classifications of enzymes. Dear friends, if you want to notes of the B Pharma second sem subject, you can join the WhatsApp group. That the link is available in the below description box.